Hi, my name's Ciara from Ciara's Home Yoga, and this is my gentle yoga series designed to cultivate deep and even breathing. Deep and even breathing has the power to transform our health as it regulates our nervous system. This yoga series will leave us feeling balanced and grounded, and it'll actually give us more energy as it's not too taxing. It's suitable for people with sleep issues, anxiety, even those suffering from burnout. And if you do attend a yoga class once or twice a week, this can be a supportive practice in between your class. The key to cultivating deep and even breathing is to practice every day, and that's what I'm hoping to provide with this 30-day yoga series. So let's start today.